everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So anyway guys, I am here once again in Barcelo and Calete de Fuste, and yeah, this place has been definitely a lifesaver. As you see, my kids are in the background. They're having a wonderful time. It's like, yeah, it's like a water park or a water gym, parkour, they call it. So it has definitely been a lifesaver. So if you guys are interested in, or if your kids really like water parks and to be able to jump around, this is definitely the place to come to. It's at the Barcelo Hotel, and that's in Calete de Fuste. Yes, as you guys see, the weather is so absolutely amazing as usual. There's my son there. We're quite early here. That's the best time. Start out early. Don't start off so late. Lately I've been getting out of bed late, but this time, okay, what is late? I mean, normally I'm out of the bed like at 8 o'clock, and then out of the house at 12 because I'm doing my little errands, and the kids go to the little community pool in our area. So anywho, not sure. Today will be one of those days where we do things spontaneous. We'll probably go to the beach, tennis, our usual schedule, grab a bite to eat. Hang on. Okay guys, stick around, and remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to hear more from me, then subscribe. I am really uploading videos every single day, almost every day. Anywho, don't go anywhere. I'll see you all in a bit.